What are you gonna do with the 1,000?
Maybe I'll buy a
Don't blank a book by its cover. No coaching. Are you nervous or excited?
No.
No, no. No what?
No, because I'm confident.
How about you? Are you nervous or excited?
yes.
They have like 2, 4, 6, like 10 more classmates at the back of the camera. They're waiting and they're cheering. So let's do it, okay? Hi everyone. We would like to give a shout out and thanks to Joseph for donating 2,900 pesos to share with today's winners. In today's giveaway, get 2 out of 3 words correct and you win 1,000 pesos. Okay? Are you excited?
Kinakabahan because
I'm just nervous. Okay. I mean, let's do it quick, okay?
okay.
Okay. Again, all you have to do is guess the missing word. Okay? Tell me the missing word. Okay. Better blank than never.
Better late.
Late is correct. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's a good start. Okay,
Thank God.
next. Yes, praise God. Okay, next. Okay, how about this one? Um Blank speak louder than words.
Action. Yeah, action speaks louder than words.
Perfect. Give me a- Okay,
my
congratulations. Congratulations. You win 1,000 pesos.
Pauwi na din pa ako sa bahay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ocampo.
Are you from Ocampo?
Ano lang ako, boarding house here sa
Oh,
Goa.
you're just studying here. You're staying in boarding house here in Goa. Ocampo is like an hour away from here, right?
Yeah, mga 1 hour.
1 hour bus ride, 1 hour. Wow, that's how good PSU is. The school here, the
Yeah,
university.
Quality. We have a quality education in PSU.
Yes. What are you gonna do with the 1,000?
Maybe I'll buy a pasalubong for my family.
Oh, pasalubong, like bring home
Yeah.
like foods, like something, to bring home like that. Pasalubong.
Yeah.
That's very nice of you. You have a big heart. You're
Thank
welcome.
you so much.
In today's giveaway, get 2 out of 3 words correct and you win 1,000 pesos. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. All you have to do all you have to do is get 2 out of 3 words correct and you can bring home the 1,000 pesos. Okay? Okay. Now I will give you both different what do you call this? Different sentences, different sayings so you won't how to say that. You won't have the same answers. Okay? Is that okay?
Yes.
Are you nervous or excited?
No.
No, no. No what?
No, because I'm confident.
How about you? Are you nervous or excited?
Yes.
They have like 2, 4, 6, like 10 more classmates at the back of the camera. They're waiting and they're cheering. So let's do it, okay? For 1,000. Okay, let's start with, okay, you first. Okay. The blank of my eye. No coaching. The blank of my eye. The blank of my eye. Don't say I saw one. Okay.
The ano?
The blank of my eye. What is the missing word?
The eyeball.
Eyeball is wrong. It's the apple of the eye. The apple of my eye. It's not eyeball. No more. Okay, how about you? Okay, this one. Okay, let's start with, okay, this one. Okay. Better blank than never. Better blank. Better late than never. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is correct. Come here. Oh my goodness, this too. Okay, better late than never. Okay, you got one already. Great job. Okay. Okay.
Go.
Oh my goodness. This. Okay, next. You need to have it right. They're supporting you.
No, the
You don't know the what? The saying, right? Okay, let's do it. She already got one. You need two. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, how about this one? Okay. Okay. Blank is the best policy.
Honesty is the best policy!
Okay, that is come here, come here. Okay, that is correct. Both have one answers correct. Okay, next. How about you? Okay. Di pa hero. Diyan ka lang bita sa ano man. Okay, next. How about this one? Okay. If at first you don't blank, try again. If at first you don't blank, try again.
Next question.
Next. Okay, try.
Wait pa. Sige.
Just
go.
guess.
Can you repeat it?
Okay. If at first you don't blank, try again.
I think it's win.
Win
Yes po.
is
Oh, ano ate? Ako na.
it's no, it's not. I mean
If you don't win, if you don't,
win. It's actually okay. Okay, hold on. Win is wrong. It is succeed. No, hold on. You will have different. She keeps. Hold on. You have your turn. It's succeed, not win. But anyway, thank you so much for trying. Okay, you'll still get 100 pesos for your for participating and for having this time with us. Thank you so much, Be. Okay, stay here. Stay here. Don't go anywhere. Okay, let's come here. Okay, come here. She's okay. Okay, how about this one? Don't blank a book by its cover.
Don't judge the book by its cover!
Oh my goodness. Okay, well anyway, thank you so you win 1,000 pesos.
Thank you.
Just a disclaimer, I made a mistake earlier. I supposed to give her three sayings or three sentences, but I think I was overwhelmed, and then I just only gave her two. Her first one was correct, her second one was wrong, and I supposed to give her another one to make it three. So yeah, I was just overwhelmed. I'm very happy earlier that I forgot. I'm so sorry, and I just want to be fair, guys. She has another. She still have one chance to do it to win the 1,000. So I'm here. We're supposed to go back home, but I forgot. I checked the video and I was like, oh no, I feel sorry for her. So to be fair, let's do this. Okay, are you ready?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you an easy one. Okay. How about okay. Okay. Blank speak louder than words.
Silence speak louder than words.
Silence speak louder. It's wrong. It's action. Action speaks louder than words. Their friend. But anyway, thank you so much, Be.
Sorry, guys. I don't have sleep lately. I didn't sleep 3 days na. So, sorry. I'm so lutang.
Anyway, thank you so much. We tried our best, right? I tried my best too to give you the 1,000. We came back here all the way here. Anyway, thank you so much. Her friend is here. Come here, Be. Come here, Be. Come, hold on. Come, Be. Come here. Come. This is her friend. She's shy. Anyway, thank you so much, Be. I'm so sorry.
Po, thank you.
You tried your best. Thank you, Be. Thank you. Fill in the blank, okay? The blank of my eye. The blank of my eye. This is a saying. Blink. The blink of my eye. Yes po. Blink is wrong. Oh no. Okay. Still you have chance, okay? You have to make this right so you can bring home 1,000 pesos. It's a saying, Be. The blank of my eye, it's actually the apple of my eye. The apple of my eye. If at first you don't blank, try again.
Di ko ano.
She said she don't know. If at first you don't blank, try again.
Di ko talaga alam.
She's getting all sweaty now. She's very nervous. Okay, you don't know?
Hindi po.
Oh, okay. It is. Okay. Are you sure you don't really know? Oh, she don't know. I'm very surprised. Please look at the camera a bit. Yeah. I'm very surprised you don't know. We will still give you 100 pesos for, for participating, for having this with us, for giving your time with us. Don't blank a book by its cover. Don't blank a book by its cover.
Church.
Church? What is your final answer? Don't blank a book by its cover. No coaching! Okay.
Po.
What?
Pass.
Oh, no, you don't know? No. How about Tagalog word? Do you know what's the Tagalog word?
Paulit.
Don't blank a book by its cover.
Change.
Change is wrong. Okay? Don't change a book by its cover. That is wrong. Okay. Anyway, don't worry. You still have 2 more chances, okay? To win the 1,000 pesos. Okay, how about this one? Blank is the best policy. Blank is the best policy.
Honestly.
Honesty is correct. Okay, that is correct. Great job. Give me 5. There you go. One more. Okay, one more. Okay, one more. Let's do this. Okay, how about? Okay, okay, this one. The blank of my eye. The blank of my eye. No coaching, please.
The blank of my eye.
Yes.
Apple po.
Apple is correct. Okay. Yes, you got okay, you got 1,000 back. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you po.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, what are you going to do with the 1,000 pesos?
Shopping.
Shopping. Wow. What kind of like, are you gonna buy clothes? What?
Dress po.
Dress. Yes, perfect for today. I mean, for the weather, right? Dress. It's hot here in the Philippines, so perfect. So happy for you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription, and thank you for watching. Take care, everyone.
Beautiful reflection